What's the meaning of bury? Bury. Bury.
Bury. Bury. The word bury refers to the act of putting something, typically a dead body, under the ground and covering it with earth or other material. The result of burying something is that it becomes hidden from view and inaccessible to the living. Burying is an age-old practice that is often associated with religious or cultural beliefs about death and the afterlife. In addition to human bodies, people may also bury animals, objects, or even treasure. Burying can have practical purposes as well, such as disposing of waste or preserving biological specimens. Overall, burying serves as a way to contain and memorialize the dead while preserving the environment and community health.